Hey, this is RV Outlet USA of North Myrtle Beach, and today we're going to showcase this beautiful Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355Pack14 that is full of many great features right here. First being right here in the front is a generator, and it also comes with a Rhino box pin box up here. This Cherokee Wolfpack also comes with dual power awnings, dual entry doors, Goodyear tires, and 2 ACs. So right here is the ramp door and the ramp door patio system here that opens up into the toy hauler garage section there. Right here is the master bedroom area here. It has a large bed there and several overhead cabinets that provide a lot of storage space, and also over here is a really large wardrobe slide there that you can store all of your clothes in. So right here is the really nice side aisle bathroom here. Comes with a large shower there, and beside of it is a really nice sink with a medicine cabinet above there, and it also comes with a foot flush toilet. So a lot of great features in the bathroom area here. So moving into the kitchen and living area in here, you will see right there is the kitchen island with 2 bar stools there. Also there is a refrigerator right there and an oven and stove there, and the stove top has a glass cover. There's also an overhead microwave up on top of that, and a really nice kitchen sink right here with a cover. There's also a pantry beside of the refrigerator. And moving over into the living area now, you will see the comfortable sofa right there, and over across from it is the entertainment center with a electric fireplace right there, and there's LED lights above and a loft bed above the toy hauler door. So taking a closer look at the kitchen and living area here, you'll see the spacious overhead cabinets there that offer plenty of storage space, and above that you'll see the really beautiful LED lights above that. And taking a look at the floor here, it has a really rustic and rugged look to it that really gives the whole camper a really nice rustic and rugged look. Behind the sofa slide, you'll see the really cool zebra shades right here. And here's a look at the toy hauler garage area, and also another look at the ramp door and the ramp door patio system here. And you'll also see on the sides there the 2 power beds that move up and down, and if you fold those out, it creates one large bed there. From this view from the ramp door and ramp door patio here, you can see the half bathroom there that comes with a foot flush toilet, a sink, and a medicine cabinet above there. And also it comes with a washer and dryer hookup where you can hook up a washer and dryer in there as well.